My name is Dinah Morgan, and I chair the Interior Design program at FIDM. Our goal is to immerse the students in the process of design. We expect them to be involved in internships that will help solidify those skill sets that they're learning in a classroom situation, but we also want them to have the opportunity to explore the creative piece of the puzzle. We do a number of programs with companies in the downtown Los Angeles area. We have designed hotel lobbies, we've designed cafes, we have designed commercial spaces, and all with industry input. And the fun thing with that is the students realize what an enlightening experience it is to work with a real person, with a real client. Our instructors bring the industry perspective to the classroom, so they are a great benefit because they have the connection to the industry and to the student. When you look at our graduates, they're working in design firms that are large, design firms that are small. Some aspire to have their own design firms, but they're looking at areas in hospitality, in retail design, in institutional design, in transportation design. Areas that you don't think about on an ongoing basis as something that a designer or an interior designer would have anything to do with. When you go into a Starbucks in the morning, when you go to Dunn Edwards and you pick out paint colors for your living room, when you fly on a Boeing jet, you are going to be touched by interior design even though you don't think about it. Someone designed that Starbucks. Someone was the color forecaster that helped select the paint. Someone designed and selected furnishings, materials, and finishes for that Boeing jet. Interior design has broad-reaching opportunities anymore, and if you understand the process of design, you'll be able to apply it to interior design.